Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I am standing in front of the all-new 2020 Chevy Traverse 3 LT. This front-wheel drive vehicle comes with a 3.6-liter V6 engine, your back tinted windows, and 18-inch bright silver painted aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can tell that we do have our Bose speaker audio system, jet black leather seating with a tan lining throughout the entire vehicle. We do have a double sunroof. When it comes to the front, we have a brand new Chevy MyLink radio, heated seats, a heated steering wheel, front collision alert, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you guys have a great day.